This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan de café. We start by creating the essential caramel base. Gently melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once melted, carefully pour the hot caramel into your chosen 8-inch round mold, ensuring the bottom is evenly coated. This forms the delicious foundation for our dessert. Next, let's prepare the creamy coffee custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Then, incorporate 1 cup of strong, freshly brewed coffee and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Blend these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This creates the rich, aromatic body of our flan. Now it's time to bake our flan. Carefully pour the smooth coffee custard mixture over the hardened caramel in your mold. Place this mold into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan mold. This water bath, or bain-marie, ensures even cooking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes until the center is just set. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, chilling and serving. Once baked, let your flan cool completely at room temperature for about 1 hour. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This allows the flan to fully set and develop its rich flavors. To serve, simply invert the mold onto a serving plate, letting the luscious caramel sauce cascade over your perfect flan de café.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.